Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD, is often misunderstood. Many wonder if it's a single disorder with a clear cause or a broad term for various behavioral challenges. Medical professionals like Dr. Lendon Smith emphasize that ADHD is not a bona fide disease, but rather a collection of symptoms that can interfere with a child's education and daily life. These symptoms include restlessness, distractibility, forgetfulness, and impulsive behavior. Teachers and parents often notice these signs first, leading to a doctor's visit. But what really causes these symptoms, and are medications the only answer? Let's explore the deeper roots and solutions for ADHD. Several medical experts have contributed to our understanding of ADHD and concentration problems. Neurologist Dr. David Perlmutter links brain fog to gluten and sugar, while Dr. Alessio Fasano highlights the gut-brain connection and genetic factors. Cardiologist Dr. William Davis discusses gluten's role in inflammation, and Dr. Stephanie Seneff explores how vaccinations may impact the brain. Dr. Tom O'Brien focuses on food sensitivities and inflammation, and Dr. Robin Pauc addresses developmental delays. These diverse perspectives show that ADHD is a complex issue with many contributing factors, not just a simple diagnosis. ADHD is typically identified by a range of symptoms: restlessness, talkativeness, short attention span, and impulsivity. Teachers often notice these behaviors first, prompting parents to seek medical advice. Traditionally, stimulant medications like Ritalin are prescribed, but Dr. Smith notes that these drugs may only mask underlying issues. He suggests that nutritional deficiencies, especially in magnesium and calcium, can play a significant role. Understanding the root causes is essential for effective treatment, rather than simply managing symptoms with medication. Dr. Smith discovered that many children with ADHD symptoms improved significantly with dietary changes and supplements. For example, removing dairy helped those with a history of ear infections, while magnesium was added for ticklishness and mood swings. Vitamin B6 supported dream recall, and essential fatty acids helped with dry skin or eczema. These targeted nutritional interventions often allowed children to reduce or eliminate stimulant medications, highlighting the importance of diet in managing ADHD. Food sensitivities, especially to dairy, wheat, and sugar, are common among children with ADHD. Dr. Smith observed that children often crave the very foods they're sensitive to, leading to poor absorption of nutrients and ongoing symptoms. He recommends eliminating common allergens and focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. This approach can help restore balance and reduce behavioral issues, offering a natural alternative to medication. Roots of ADHD can often be traced back to pregnancy and early childhood. Factors like maternal nutrition, stress, and complications during pregnancy can influence a child's risk. Dr. Smith notes that issues such as nausea, low weight gain, or emotional stress during pregnancy, as well as early ear infections and colic, are common in children later diagnosed with ADHD. Early interventions, including proper nutrition and avoiding allergens, can help reduce these risks. Physical signs like dark circles under the eyes, dry skin, and white spots on the nails can indicate nutritional deficiencies or food sensitivities. Dr. Smith emphasizes that these clues are often overlooked, but provide valuable insight into a child's health. For example, dark circles may suggest dairy sensitivity, while dry skin points to a need for essential fatty acids. Recognizing these signs can guide more effective, individualized interventions. Many children with ADHD symptoms are deficient in minerals like magnesium and calcium, even if they consume dairy. Sensitivities can prevent proper absorption, leading to ongoing issues. Dr. Smith found that supplementing with these minerals often improved symptoms dramatically. He also points out that modern farming practices have depleted soil minerals, making supplementation even more important for today's children. Stimulant medications like Ritalin are widely prescribed for ADHD, but Dr. Smith and others caution against overuse. While these drugs can temporarily control symptoms, they do not address underlying nutritional or physiological issues. Side effects are common, and only a small percentage of children may truly need medication. For most, dietary and lifestyle changes can offer safer, long-term solutions. Healthy diet is crucial for managing ADHD. Experts recommend avoiding sugar, white flour, and processed foods, while focusing on whole, organic fruits and vegetables. Breakfast should never be skipped, and foods high in fiber and healthy fats are encouraged. Additive-free diets, free from artificial colors, preservatives, and sweeteners, are also important. These guidelines help support brain health and reduce behavioral symptoms. Supplements can play a key role in supporting children with ADHD. Barleylife, a nutrient-rich green food, helps heal the gut and provides essential vitamins and minerals. DHA and EPA from fish oil are vital for brain development and focus. Probiotics like Florafood support digestive health and nutrient absorption. Other supplements, such as magnesium, calcium, and B vitamins, can address specific deficiencies and improve overall well-being. Beyond diet, lifestyle factors are crucial. Regular exercise, sun exposure for vitamin D, and limiting screen time are all recommended. Children benefit from a loving, low-stress environment with plenty of positive reinforcement. Activities like music, board games, and time in nature can boost emotional and cognitive health. Creating a supportive home and school environment helps children thrive and reduces ADHD symptoms. Understanding food labels is essential for avoiding gluten and other triggers. Packaged foods must list wheat clearly, but barley and rye can be hidden under terms like malt or brewer's yeast. Oats are often contaminated with gluten unless labeled gluten-free. Cross-contamination is a real risk, so choosing certified gluten-free products is safest. Always read labels carefully and ask questions when eating out or buying processed foods. Gluten can also be found in medications, supplements, and even cosmetics. Unlike food, these products are not required to list gluten content, making it important to consult with healthcare providers and pharmacists. For those with sensitivities, choosing gluten-free brands for all products is wise. Staying vigilant helps prevent accidental exposure and supports better health outcomes. Managing ADHD is a journey that involves understanding, patience, and a holistic approach. With the right diet, supplements, environment, and support, most children can thrive without heavy reliance on medication. Remember, every child is unique, and small changes can make a big difference. Celebrate progress, stay informed, and never give up hope. With love and the right strategies, children with ADHD can reach their full potential.
Welcome! Today I'll show you exactly how to join Beautique and make your first purchase. I'll guide you through every step, from choosing your account type to completing your order. Start by opening the main menu to explore our mission and the products section. You can join as a customer for rewards or as a member to start your own business. The sign-up form is straightforward. Just enter your contact details and shipping information. Members will also provide a few extra details to set up their independent distributorship. Once registered, browse our full catalog and select the high-quality products you'd like to try. Once logged in, simply find your favorite products, add them to your cart, and click Checkout Now to complete your order. You're now ready to start your journey with Beautique. We're excited to have you with us.